Welcome to the WorkStraight tutorial. In this tutorial, we will cover the basic features of WorkStraight, such as creating a work order, adding a new user, customer, and how to customize your work order form. We will go into more specifics in future videos, so please leave your feedback in the comment section on what you would like to see in the upcoming videos. Stay tuned, and we hope that you find this useful. After you have successfully logged in, this is your main dashboard. On your left side, you will find a menu with options such as work orders, calendar, customers, invoices, assets, reports, company directory, settings, and help center. On your dashboard, you can find a graph of your productivity in the past 6 days, more specifically, how many work orders you have created in green versus how many work orders you have closed in gray. You will also find your tasks and work orders which are waiting for approval and assignment. Let's move on to the fun stuff. We will start on how to add a new user. You will need to go to Settings and click on Add a new user. On this screen, you will need to fill in some general information, such as name, time zone, position, and address, just to name a few. You can also upload a photo. It is very important to know that if you want your user to have access to WorkStraight, please make sure to click in Give User WorkStraight System Access. Here you will enter their email address. After that, your new user will receive an email verification with instructions on how to get their login credentials. After you have successfully added your team, we can move on to adding some customers. You will need to go to your Customers tab on the left side menu, and you will see your Customers page. On the top right corner, you will find the Add New Customers button. Let's click there. Here, you will see that you have the ability to add customers with a CSV file. Just click where it says click here to toggle instructions to get more information. It is very important that you follow the format that is provided. Let's go back to our previous screen. Similar to the screen of adding a user, you need to fill in some information about your customer. In WorkStraight, you will have two types of customers. The first one is the regular customer which you upload for your own records. And the second one is called the tracker. This type of customer will have the ability to track the progress on their work orders. They will need to use their own login credentials. In order to do that, just click on Login Access to grant them that privilege. It is important to note that customers with login access do not count into your user plan. To recap, we are already familiar with our dashboard. We know how to add a new user and how to add a customer. We will move on to creating a work order and customizing your work order form. Let's go. There are two different ways to create a work order from your account. The first one is to go to the top right corner, where you can find the Create Work Order button. And for the second one, you will need to locate on your left side menu the button that says Create a Work Order. This will display your work order form, where you can have fields such as description, title, priority level, assigned user, approver, and due date, just to name a few. A few important things we would like to point out is that you have the ability to enter one attachment up to 10 megabytes on the creation of the work order. Another important feature that we want to point out is on the appointment date field. If you click on more options, you can find the option to make this work order recurrent on a daily, weekly, bi-weekly, quarterly, and yearly basis. We want to remind everybody that on your left side menu you can find the Help Center, where you can find more detailed information about the creation of work orders, how to add clients, users, and more general information. We invite you to check it out. Now we have a general understanding on how to create a work order. We will go ahead and see how to customize your work order form. Just need to go to Settings and Customize WorkStraight. Here you can find your work order fields, asset settings, invoice settings, and QuickBook integration. But today, we will only focus on the work order fields. The main aspect we would like to emphasize is the different types of fields you will find your work order form. You will find 3 types of fields, and we're gonna differentiate them by color: gray, yellow, and red. Let's start by the gray fields. These fields are required. They need to be filled in order to submit the work order form. Their displayability and input type have already been set. The customization level these fields offer is the ability to change the field name and help text. Let's continue to the yellow fields. These offer more customization. Here, you can choose if you want the fields to be required and displayed. In addition, you can choose the field name and help text. We saved the best for last, the red fields. These fields give you total customization. You can change the title, modify the help text, change the input type, and you can include text, a text area, or a drop-down menu, and if it's required or not. To wrap up this video, we have learned how to add customers and users, how to create work orders, and how to customize your work order form. Please remember to always feel free to reach out to the customer success team. You can call us at 510-990-1030 or email us at support@workstraight.com. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial, and we hope you find it useful. Stay tuned for more videos, and we hope you enjoy using WorkStraight.